Hello friends, I am Pooja. Welcome to my channel Infinite Crochet. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this tricolor coaster. Now, to make this coaster, you will require this white yarn, this green yarn, this orange yarn, this blue yarn, and a 4mm crochet hook. As you can see, this is a 4mm crochet hook, a needle to give finishing to your coaster. So let's begin. Now, first of all, I'll be making the center of this coaster and I'll be going from inward to outward. Now, to start with the center of the coaster, we need to make chain 3. Now to make we need to make chain 4. Now to make chain 4, we'll be making a slip knot. Here we are, slip knot. Now we'll make chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will make a slip stitch to form the ring. Now to form the ring, we will require to put a slip stitch into this first chain. So if you see, into this first chain, we will be making a slip stitch. Now, this is our first round that we are going to begin. Now to start with our first round, we will make chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 9 double crochet in the chain. So as you can see, this is the chain we have. This is the ring. So we'll be making 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So including this chain 3, we have a total of 10 double crochet. So I'm including this chain here. So we have total 10 stitches here. Now we will join with a slip stitch into the top of this chain 3. So if you see, this is the chain 3. Now we'll put into the top of the chain 3. We'll make a slip stitch. Now this is our round 1 which has finished now. Now for round 2, I will make again chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we will make in the same space. If you can see, this is the chain 3. In the same space, we'll make a double crochet. So same space, I'm making a double crochet. Now in every double crochet space, I'll be making 2 double crochet. So that will give me 20 double crochet. So let's start. In the next chain space, 2 double crochet. 1 and then 2. Similarly, in the next chain space, 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So in every chain space, I will make 2 double crochet. That will be total of 20 double crochet. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. So here I am. I made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I made 20 double crochet. Now I will make a slip stitch into top of this 3 chain. So 1, 2, 3. This is the top of the 3rd chain and here I am with a slip stitch. Now from here I will change the yarn. Now I will cut this yarn. Now the next color of the yarn will be of orange color. So here I am taking this Now to join with the new yarn, you can make a slip stitch and in the same stitch where you made the slip stitch, you can put this crochet hook here now into the same. Yes, so this is now again I'll start. Now this is my third round with chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now in the same space I'll make one more double crochet. So 2 double crochet. Now I will make 2 double crochet into the each chain space. So 2 double crochet here, 2 double crochet here. Now 2 double crochet. Here. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. So we are going towards the end of round 3, where we made 2 double crochet into each stitch. So at the end of this round we will have 40 double crochet. Now we'll make a slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. You see? Now for round 4 I will start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and 1 double crochet into 2 double crochet. So if I take this is my first double crochet, in the next space 1 double crochet, into the next stitch I'll make 2 double crochet. If you see, in the next space 2 double crochet. Now one single double crochet into next 3 double crochet. So 1, 2, here we are, 3 and a double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet. So now the pattern is we have to make 3 double crochet into each individual stitch, then 2 double crochet into a single stitch. This 3, 2, 3, 2. So this is my round 4. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. So I have reached at the end of round 4. The last 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and I will finish off this round with 2 double crochet into the last stitch. Now we will complete this round with a slip stitch into the top of this chain 3. So if you see, chain 3 is here, now here. Now I'm going to change the yarn. Now I have completed 4 rounds here. For round 5 I'll be using this white yarn. Now again, to start with a new yarn, I will make a slip knot. Now I'll put where I ended my last round, I'll put this new yarn in the same place. So here we are. So I'm starting round 5 with chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And I'll put 1 double crochet into each stitch, that is 50 double crochet. So 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 double crochet into each stitch. So I'll meet you at the end of this round 5. So I have reached at the end of round 5, 48, 49 and 50. So in round 5 we made 1 double crochet into each stitch, that is a total of 50 double crochet. Now I will make a slip stitch into the top of this third chain here. Now to start with round 6, I'll make chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 double crochet in next 3 double crochet. So let's start. 1, 2, and 3. So 3 double crochet. Now 2 double crochet into next stitch. So in this stitch I'll make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now for this round, now 4 double crochet into next 4 different stitches. So I made 1 double crochet here, 2 double crochet, now 3, 4. In the next stitch I'll make 2 double crochet together, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. So in round 6 we will be repeating 4 single crochet and 2 double crochet in the same stitch, 4, 2. So let's meet you after at the end of this round. I am finishing round 6 here. So last 4 double crochet into each stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 double crochet into the last stitch. So this is 1 and 2 into the same stitch. So this is the end of round 6. Now I will complete this round with a slip stitch onto the top of this chain 3. Now round 6 is finished. Now I'm cutting the yarn. Now for the last round we will start with a green color. So again a slip stitch. Here we are. Now in the same space as we finish with the slip stitch, I am putting my hook in the same space. Now chain 1, 1 single crochet in same chain space. So 1 single crochet in the same space. Now in the next double crochet we are going to skip it. So we are going to skip this double crochet and slip stitch and 8. So we are going to skip this stitch and 8 treble crochet, which is triple crochet into this next chain space. So to make a triple crochet you need to take this yarn twice. So I have taken this. Now in the space, now one time we will take only 2 loops. So first time again 2 loops only, second time, and this is the third time. So this is your triple crochet, also known as treble crochet, short form TR. So we will make 8 treble crochet into this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once these 8 triple crochets are complete in a single stitch, we will skip this stitch. Now into the next stitch we'll make a single crochet. Now we will skip this next stitch also. Now into the next stitch we will make, that is this one, we will make 8 treble crochet. So we are going to repeat this pattern, 8 treble crochet, then leaving 1 double crochet space here, then a single crochet, leaving 1 double crochet space, and then 8 treble crochet. So this is our row 7 and this is the final row. So let me meet you at the end of this row. So I'm completing row 7 with 8 treble or 8 triple crochet. So I made 2 to 4, 6, 7 and the last treble crochet. And I will connect this with a slip stitch into this single crochet that I made. So a slip stitch, here we are. So once we are finished, we will cut this yarn. Now here we have finished our tricolor coaster. Now if you see there are these threads, I will show you this separately, how to get rid of these remaining threads. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.